Welcome once again to Matter. Before we start, please like and subscribe and share this video to all your friends. Now today we'll be talking about the property 5 of the circle theorem. Let's move on straight to today's lesson. So in this property, it says that equal chords, so this is a chord, this is also a chord. This sign means that this chord and this chord are the same. So it says that angles subtended by equal chords are always equal. So therefore in this property we can say that A is equal to B. So now let's move on to an example of the property 5. In this example we have been given that PS is equal to QR, and we know from the property 5 that equal angles subtended by equal chords are always equal. So this chord is equal to this chord. Therefore the angles they will subtend at the circumference of the circle should be also equal. So here angle, the solution to this angle PQS equals 30 degrees. We know that this chord is equal to this chord. This chord PS subtends an angle of 30 and it is equal to QR chord. PS chord is equal to QR chord. Therefore, if PS chord subtends an angle of 30 and PS chord is equal to QR chord, then QR chord also subtends an equal angle of 30 degrees. So therefore angle PQS is equal to angle QSR. So angle QSR is equal to 30 degrees. Thanks for joining us on Matter. Please like and subscribe and share the videos to your friends. See you in our next lesson. Bye.